You've seen this feature in CapCut before and you're wondering what it is used for. This feature is called the mask feature in CapCut, and you can use it to perform a lot of magics in your video. If you're new to editing and you want to learn the basics of CapCut mobile video editing, this video is for you. And you see this effect here, it is called the twin clone trouble effect. You can use this mask feature to achieve it. If you want to know how, watch this video to the end. Let me show you step by step on how to achieve this. Let's go. First, you have to film yourself hitting your jacket or your hoodies on the table, just like you see me do here, or you can perform any action of your choice. Second, you have to film another clip of yourself acting as if you hit your head on the table, just like you see me do in this clip. Those are the only two clips we need to perform this magic. Now bring two of those clips into CapCut. Select the second clip. Carefully watch where your head is on the table. Hit on split and delete the unwanted area. Next, select the first clip. Look for duplicate and duplicate it. Then look for overlay and bring down the duplicated clip. Drag it down to the beginning of the first clip. Now select the overlaid clip. Carefully watch where you hit your jacket on the table. Hit on split and delete the unwanted area. Now here is where the magic happens, which is the main purpose of this tutorial, to show you how to use the mask feature in CapCut to perform magic. This is a basic tutorial for those who want to start their video editing journey using CapCut. So if you're not following me yet, make sure you hit the follow button for more simple basic tutorials like this. Now select the overlaid clip. Look for mask. As you can see, there are different masks you can use here, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use the horizontal. However, we'll play a little bit around with the triangle. You can either use the horizontal mask or you use the rectangle. Anyone that suits you better, but I'm going to use the horizontal to show you how this mask works. Now rotate the mask to use it and divide the two clips into two, just like you see me do here. You can play around with different masks here. You can play around by filming yourself into two and dividing it with the mask. This will give you a better idea on how to use the mask feature in CapCut. After that, you can hit the export button, but if you want to go further to achieve this particular effect here, you have to upload the video back to CapCut. After uploading it back to CapCut, here is what you need to do. Carefully select where you hit the head on the table and hit split. Move forward a little bit. You will see where your hand is up. Hit split and delete the middle one. Again, move forward a little bit after the hit. Hit split. Select the split clip. Look for duplicate and duplicate it into how many times you want. If you're not following me, make sure you hit the follow button for more tutorials like this. Then after that, you will have something like this.